Okay, so taking a look at this problem right here, they say what is the area in the shaded area in the diagram? Well, taking a look here, I can see that my x bar is 90, and okay, they gave me a standard deviation. We did this in an earlier problem. This standard deviation is going to be 12. Now, the reason that's important is because I need to figure out what this middle number is right here. So if I figure out what's halfway between 90 and 102, this middle number right here is the number 96. So I can say that this is 96. This boundary over here is halfway between 114 and 126. Let's see, if I think about that, that's going to be 120. So what they're asking really is, how do I find this shaded region between 96 and 120? So taking a look here. First, I know I need to convert these to z-scores. So if I take the first z-score and say 96 minus 90 divided by 12, because that is my sigma, I can say that that is 96 minus 90 divided by 12, and I got 0.5. No big surprise there. Now, the second z-score that I need is going to be the 120 minus 90 over 12. And taking a look at that, 120 minus 90 divided by 12, and I get 2.5. So the question is, how do I convert all of this into shaded coloring? Well, as a reminder, the z-score table that I'm going to be using gives you all of the area below a z-score. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to look at the 2.5. When I look at that, it's going to give me all of this stuff in orange. So let's go ahead and grab all of this orange stuff. So if I hop over to my z-score table and I look at a positive z-score of 2.5, make sure that I have this right. Notice it starts at 0, 0 in the first column. 2.5 is this part right here, and I see that it's 0.9938. So this whole orange part right now as it stands is 0. And it was 9938. So 9938. Well, the problem is that's way too much. That's more than what they asked for. So now I have to erase a certain amount. Well, to erase it, I'm going to erase and subtract from that whatever all of this amount is on the left-hand side of 96. Well, if I erase all of this on the left-hand side of 96, what that basically means is I need to find the area that's below 0.5. Okay, so let's come back over here and let's find the row that says 0.5, and the row that says 0.5 is this row right here, and see if it'll actually let me, for some reason it's not letting me select it. It almost let me, there we go. So we are on this part right here, so that's 6915. So we're going to subtract from this 0.6915. Well, if I do all of that math here on the calculator, 0.9938 minus 0.6915, I get a grand total of 0.3023, and that would be my final answer. So as a reminder, whenever they give you this, if you're using the z-score table, you find the big area first, and then you are going to subtract the small area from it.